3 nurses and a Kenyatta National Hospital support staff have been charged with the murder of a cancer patient, Cosmas Mutunga, in November last year. Geoffrey Mureithi, Priscilla Wairimu, Rosemary Nkonge, and Muthoni were arraigned before High Court Judge Jessi Lesit as other nurses from KNH camped outside Milimani Law Courts in solidarity with them.
Again, looking at article.
In a courtroom packed with colleagues and family, the four were presented before Judge Lesit, 11 months after the crime they allegedly committed. They were arrested after DPP Keriako Tobiko agreed with police recommendations for charges against them after 42-year-old cancer patient Cosmas Mutunga was found dead on his hospital bed on November 29, 2015. The man, who was admitted on November 8th, had several stab wounds and his eye had been gouged out. His right leg was also broken between the knee and the ankle. Nurses from the hospital have criticized the arrests, terming them unfair and unlawful, with its members camping outside the courts demanding for the release of the four.
If the nurses were to kill, nurses have better ways of killing than using a knife, because we have the drugs in the ward, and in any case, we are supposed to have everybody who was working in that ward on that particular day arrested, from the watchman at the gate plus all the other wards, because you cannot organize a murder in the ward where you are working, because you actually be the first victim.
They have vowed not to go to work until their colleagues are released unconditionally. They called on their colleagues across the country to join them in boycotting work.
No health work can be a murder. And the police to do their work, not to accuse, to make hasty accusations and hasty arrests due to political interference.
We are going to withdraw workforce from KNH until the state listens to the nurses.
These nurses also called for the removal of their union's officials for failing to protect their rights. Yesterday, though, the Kenya National Union of Nurses said KNH Chief Executive Officer Lily Koros should take full responsibility over the killing. The DPP asked the court for 5 days to place key witnesses under the Victims Protection Program before the accused apply for bail. The four were remanded to the Industrial Area Prison and the Langata Women's Facility and will return to court on October 31st for their bail hearing. Their trial is set for March 6th and 9th, 2017. Mercy Juma Okande, NTV.